Hello, this is the basics of computer repair. You'll need two tools to take apart a Chromebook to fix it, those being a screwdriver and a pry. There will be two different sections of this video dedicated to different problems. To find out the problem with your Chromebook, click Control Escape Search to bring up the diagnostics page. From here you can see battery life and test if the keys are working. If you have broken or cracked your screen, you are going to need to replace it. You do this by using your pry on the edge of the screen's frame until the frame comes off. Then you will see 4 screws that hold in the screen. Take these out and then disconnect the display cable and remove the screen. You will want to take your replacement screen and connect the display cable to it. Then you place it where the old screen was and screw in the 4 screws to hold it in. Then you pop the frame back into place and you're done. The most difficult repair is a display cable repair. For this, you have to unscrew the 6 screws on the back, then take off both the keyboard and the screen frame. After that, you have to take out the screen by unscrewing the 4 screws holding it in place and disconnect the display cable from the back of the screen. Next, you want to unscrew the 3 screws that attach the hinge to the screen frame on the right. Next, you should be able to remove the display cable from the back of the screen and remove it completely. Next, you take your replacement cable and attach it to the motherboard. Put the cable back where the previous one was, following the track so the Chromebook can close properly. Then connect it to the back of your screen. Then put the Chromebook screen back in place and screw the 4 screws holding it in place back in. Then pop the frame and the keyboard back into place and screw the 6 screws back in. Then you're done.